So I think 2 months ago, Fit Machine picked up a failure in one of your pulverizers.
Yep.
Can you talk a little bit about the episode?
So this particular incident we had, I think the first alarm came through at something like 1 in the morning. In fact, on this occasion, I rang it through to our supervisor on the line at the time, let him know what we thought the problem was. He went out and inspected it, and it was at a point where he was a bit dubious as to whether or not there was an issue there. You know, it was probably a bit, the actual change was too sensitive for him to pick up just through normal, I guess, changes in vibrational sound, or and really it's probably sound that he'd be looking for or listening for. But he looked into it further and identified which piece of kit he thought was affected, and I guess through investigating a little deeper came to the same conclusion as the Fitbit, or the Fit Machine I should say, that there was a problem, and immediately turned off the line. We organised maintenance crew for first thing in the morning, and subsequently found a bearing had indeed failed, and it's this same bearing that, if it fails and we're unaware of it, causes the discs to smash. So we're able to change that, get up and running, no damage done, and we were running by 10, 11 a.m. in the morning, and that machine will probably now run for another couple of years before it gets into the same sort of trouble. So.